Sir, Abdullah says no answer, sir.
No answer. So when did he connect with you? You are saying you have connected
In the Yeah, in the morning, sir.
the morning. Then why?
I
What
mean,
he
like your night.
night? Okay. What does he doing here? Okay. Anyway, we'll check later. So what happened?
Sir,
So
if you
we
don't mind, can you please record the session and share the link to me?
So okay, I will try to share. No problem. Generally, I don't do all
Okay.
record.
Thank you.
So it is a issue. We'll get a space issue. So we'll check whatever. If I have old videos, I will try to share.
Okay, sir.
So we
Okay.
can see here. So basically, we can see like we have completed yesterday first one activity like create country. Which activity we have completed yesterday. So create distribution center parameter details. We have completed this activity yesterday, like we have one module we have created for the distribution center parameter module, like weekly safety stock. Each and every week safety stock means we should maintain minimum this much stock. So if you don't maintain this safety stock, you may fall under the short of your product. So that is the reason we should maintain minimum products. So that we have completed yesterday. Like we need to create another module. So here create shipping metrics by weeks. So you can see, so this module we need to create. So another you can see transportation dummy module we need to create first of all. So what is mean by dummy module? Generally, why we create the dummy module? I am creating the transportation dummy module. Why I need to create this transportation dummy module? Yes. What is mean by dummy module? What is mean by dummy module? Sudhir, can you explain what is mean by dummy module?
You can use for the practice purpose.
Not practice purpose, for category dividers. This transportation access driver module, data module, it doesn't consist any dimensions. You can see here. Just we keep module name and remove all the dimensions, and then we'll keep that module here. Like it is a category divider. It doesn't occupies any space. You can see zero cell count. So like this, we should understand what they are, what is dummy module, and each and everything we should understand. So many times we have created. This is we use for the category divider. So easily you can understand. Under the transport you keep transport module. Under the data you keep data modules. So like that we'll decide. You can
Okay.
see here. So next we are creating the new modules, like transportation 01 shipping metrics by week. You can see here. So this module I am going to create here. Under the transportation I am creating this module. So here what are the dimensions I should take? P2 product list, shipping method list, and time should be in week. So functional area should be transport. Category transportation. Just now we have created this transportation is a category. P2 product shipping method, P2 product list and shipping methods. You can see time should be in weeks. So you can see what are the line items we have. So shipping time in weeks, how much time it take to reach products. So shipping time in weeks, we have one line item here. You can see this one. And I have one doubt from your side. So how you are watching our YouTube videos? Are you directly watching, or are you downloading and watching. I am not getting any watching hours for my YouTube channel. Actually, are you watching or not? Everyone, directly you are downloading and watching my videos, or directly are you watching on by YouTube link? How you are watching?
Directly YouTube link, sir.
Directly YouTube.
Okay, that is the fine. I can track your either you are going through or not. I can understand if you go through that one daily. I will watch how many hours you are watching and everything. I can see there. So if you watch directly YouTube link, if you click that YouTube link, it will be helpful for you. Otherwise, I can't track what you are going through and each and everything. That initially I used to tell each and everyone to click on that YouTube link and you can watch it. So how you are doing, Sudhir? Are you watching YouTube link
Yeah,
or?
I am watching YouTube link only. I am not downloading.
Okay, then I am not getting much hours. Try to everyone try to watch through you direct YouTube link only. That will be helpful for like I can track you and how many members are watching and everything I can watch there. Otherwise, I can't understand how you are preparing and what are the videos are you are watching. I can't understand anything. Is it clear for everyone? Suresh Abdul Hafiz.
Yes, sir.
So directly click that YouTube link and watch so that I can understand how many candidates are watching and everything I can understand. So even our channel also will get monetized. So if 1 year we should get 4,000 hours. So I got like almost 1,000 hours for 1 year. But I think mostly we have 20 students almost now. If each and everyone if at least watch daily 1 hour, so monthly I will get like 600 hours I will get. So 600 hours means almost in 6 to 7 months how many for monthly how many hours will get if I daily each and every candidate watch 1 hour 600, is it correct? Yes, within 7 months I should reach 4,000 hours, is it correct? Yes.
Correct, sir.
Yes. So try to go through in YouTube links only. That will be I can track and our channel will get monetized, and we can our channel will if anybody search regarding Anaplan easily they can find. So that is the thing. Try to watch YouTube directly YouTube link only. So that will be I can even track you and I can watch hours as well. Is it clear for everyone? Suresh Abdul Hafiz.
Sir.
So may I know who is this Abdullah? Abdullah?
Sir, it's SM Hafiz. I think I kept that name. Sorry.
Okay, okay, fine. So try to keep your proper name so that who are joining and
I
who are
will
not
read.
joining, I can understand easily. So anyway, like we can see here. So we have created this module. So after creating this module, so you can see format of this module like both the line items should be number. So convert yearly shipping time values to weekly values. So we should like convert yearly shipping time values to weekly values. Convert yearly shipping cost per 1,000 product SKU units to week value. So you can see we need to write formula for this one. Like you can see where we have shipping time we need, you can see here transportation 01 shipping metric by week. So this is our module name. So we need to write formula for this module. So for how much time it takes and cost how much it take we should check. So we have like I will share like each and every formula in chat box mostly. So you can see here and even who are Sudhir, I think you are using Navin's credential. Is it correct? Yes.
Previously, I used for level 2, I am not using.
Oh, okay, but you have credentials and you can share that formulas as well. if I don't share, so you can also share. So you can see here shipping metric, this is our you can see this is our formula. So what we are doing, so we have where we have the details, shipping details, where we have transportation shipping metrics by week. You can understand by watching the formula, you can see. So data 01 shipping metrics module, you have time. So time how much it takes. So you can see year value data 02. So you can see you have in data 02 you have cost. This is the main intention. So we should understand from where we are getting the data, and you should write by your own. Don't copy paste any formula. From where we are getting data, that we need to understand. So from where we are getting the data, yes, in which module we are getting the data, data 02, is it correct or not? Just now I have watched from where I am getting the data. So you can simply click here, try to write formula. So from where I am getting the data, I need year value. Year value function I am using. So where I have data, shipping details, you can see here data 02 shipping. So this one we need to open. So here shipping time we need. So which one we need? You can see shipping time we have here. In data 02 we have shipping time details we have. So simply year value I need. So which data I want shipping time I need in weeks. So you can see if I apply this one, I will get yearly how much shipping time I need. You can see here. So each and every product in air, how many weeks it takes. So if I select this one, different methods, in rail it takes 4 weeks. So new job or product. So each and every route, how much it takes. So you can see. So by ship, how many weeks does it take? 8 weeks. So you can understand in this way. We have data in data 02 shipping metrics module. So simply I am bringing from data 02 shipping metrics module to here. That's it. So you can understand easily, like if you understand the formula, if you watch the formula, from where we are getting the data, how we are getting. So if you want to open, you can open this module. So yes, you can open and you can watch this module, how, what are the details you have. So you can see here why I am using year value. Why I am using year value means, you can see here. So what is the time dimension we have here? Year or week. Which value I have here? Which time
Year
scale I
value.
have? Year value. Year we have. So you can see even here also you can see year time scale we have here in data 02. That is the reason I am bringing here. So year value of this line item. So how much year value I have, you can select here. You can watch this one at end. You can watch year value means, you can understand here. You can see. So financial year 2020, and like different if you it doesn't turn on like summary methods. So that is the reason we can't see anything there. So if you turn on summary method, you can see this one as well. So you can see here here how much value we have. Year value you can see, financial year, each and every value we have here. Same value we are getting here. Here we are getting. So if I select air, simply I am getting new job or air, how much we have? 1. How I am getting means, you can go here for new job or product. Air is a shipping method. Financial year 2020. How much shipping time it does it take? Yes. How much shipping time does it take? Yes. Are you able to watch my
1
screen?
week, sir.
1 week. So that is the thing. Why you are confusing? Nothing is there, just. So we have everything here. Just from data 0 to shipping time to, we are getting data into here. So that is the thing. So anyway, um, you can see here, and another you can see formula for cost per unit also. We have data in data 0 to only. So that is the reason what I am doing. I am writing same formula, year value, then I am going to data 0 to module. Simply I am clicking on cost per units. So 1000 units. Simply I will get the cost per 1000 units I will get in my module. This is the reason. So why I easily pull the data from here to here. Do I have same dimensions or not? You can check here. So do we have same dimensions here? Yes, same dimensions do we have here?
Yes, sir.
Shipping methods, P2 product, P2 products. Everything is fine. But here we have the problem with the week and year. So this week and year is making the problem. That is the reason I used that year value function. If I have same dimension, do I need that year value function? When should we use function? Any function, either sum or lookup, whatever it. When we need any function,
When there are different dimensions.
when the dimensions are the not same, then only we should think about the any function or anything. So you can see I told sometime. So whenever if you are pulling data from source to target, we should keep this dimension sequence properly. So in general list, which one is getting first, product or shipping methods? Product you have first and shipping method next. So that is the reason what should we do? We should try to keep order whenever you are pulling data. P2 product shipping method is the correct one. So here what should I do? P2 product should select first and other dimension should select later. So what should I do? Simply I should remove this one, remove, click P2 products and shipping method. So this is also, it improves the model performance. So I told so many times, this sequence also it improves the model performance. You can see P2 products and shipping method, P2 products and shipping method. Is it clear? How should we change the sequence? Five, you asked this doubt earlier. Yes.
Yes, Ashish. Yes, Ashish.
So according to generalist sequence, we should try to keep this sequence so that it also increase the model performance. So anyway, like you can see, I have completed, like I have pulled data from source to target. These dimensions are the different, like year and this time scale is the different. So time scale is year, from parent to child I am pulling. So year value function I have used. So all dimensions are same, but the thing is time is the only problem. That is the reason to convert time years to weeks, I have used the formula year value. So that is the thing. We need to understand major difference. So we have completed this one. So major activity like create inventory ordering. So this is a very important activity. We have used here so many functions and logics. So everyone should be clear about this one. So we don't complete this within 1 day. So it takes almost 2 to 3 days. So but try to complete as soon as possible, and you also try to complete all these activities as soon as possible. Otherwise you will get confused. So that is my intention. You can see inventory dummy module I need to create first of all. So what are the other dimensions I should take? Inventory. So first of all I need to dummy module I need to create. So after that I need to create the new module. So why I am creating this inventory module, dummy module? Yes.
All the inventory related modules will keep under that.
Yes, we can create, but like category divider purpose we are creating. So to easily understand, under the inventory dummy module, we keep all inventory module so that everyone easily understand. So what are the different types of category types of modules we have? You can see inventory ordering module I am creating, P3 SKU list and time should be in weeks. So these are the two dimensions I should take. Area inventory, category inventory. Add following line items to the inventory ordering module and adjust their format and summary methods. Formulas will be added subsequent. So first of all, you can see P3 SQL list and time we should take. This is the first line item, beginning inventory. What is mean by beginning inventory? Yes,
Opening
opening stock. Morning, whenever if you go to bank, so they will say like whenever each and every day you will get like opening stock and opening balance and closing balance. Opening balance means whenever morning if you go, if you check your bank statement, so morning how much amount you have, that is the opening balance. And evening time, at the end of the day, what is the balance, that comes under the closing balance. Same way, beginning inventory we have, ending inventory. Beginning means opening stock, how much we have. Ending inventory means, so at the end of that week, how much stock we have. So that comes under the ending inventory. So you can see I have taken like P3 SQL list and time as a dimension as they mentioned. So you can see forecast demand, beginning inventory, forecast demand. Generally we have each and everyone we are trying we are putting like financial planning analysis projects only. But whenever some job description, they will expect like supply chain planning. So in that scenario, what should you do, Faiz? Will you keep only I have done only financial planning, or will you keep your uh, project like I have done even like demand planning project? How will you do in that scenario? Yes. Are you there, Faiz?
Yes, Ashwin bhai. I'm listening, Ashwin bhai.
Watching, but what I am saying, whenever if you uh, receive any job description for demand planning, their requirement is their demand planning. Then in that scenario, what will you do? Will you keep only financial planning projects, or will you change your resume to I have done even demand planning project as well? Will you include or not demand planning project?
If I get that type of call, definitely I will change my resume as per that, Ashwin bhai. So far, I
Yes.
didn't get any calls like that.
Yes, 100% we should change our resume each and every time. Suresh, is it clear? Don't keep only once resume and don't leave. So daily we need to apply jobs in Naukri notifications, and we should follow up all the mails, and we should try to call HRs if they provide any number, and try to mail if they send any mail. So each and everything we should follow. Then only we'll get calls and they will follow up us, and easily each and everyone they will share job description. So for them we need to send updated resume according to their job description. Then only our resume will get shortlist, and they will call us and they will schedule us interview. Is it
Sir,
clear?
this supply chain business users and manufacturing companies, they will not use this Anaplan.
Why they not use Sudhir? Supply chain also they will like how they need to transport the product and each and everything, demand planning and supply chain planning. This is also one use case.
Yeah,
Why they
I understood. But the problem is like mostly we are getting financial planning and analysis calls only. No one is asked for related to supply chain.
okay, not asking, but sometime they will ask Sudhir. What I am
Okay.
saying, sometime they will ask. So in that scenario, we need to change. Okay, if they don't ask, why should we change? So if the requirement is there, then only we should change.
And also one more thing, Asif bhai, most of the recruiters, first of all, they are checking the Naukri profile. They are getting our resume from there, and then they are calling. Like
That
if
is
they call
fine.
in a similar way,
Okay, okay.
if they call in a similar way, then if we change our resume and if we send them, then won't it be a problem, Asif bhai?
They only say sometime change your resume and share me. They will only say sometime. That is not a problem.
Okay,
So
No,
they need,
Fayaz,
oh, all right.
they will
Fayaz,
also
in that
expect
Yes,
you.
case,
bro.
Fayaz, in that case, you say that is not updated, and I will send my latest one. You tell like that. They will agree, no
Yes,
problem.
you can say like that, and even most of the time they will also suggest to prepare resume according to job description. So even they also suggest. So that is the reason. That is not a problem.
Okay, okay.
So we need to first of all you need to understand these all line items. What are the different line items we have? So you can see here. So ending inventory you can see here we have, and each and every line items you can see, understand, and what is the main concept of this line item and what should we calculate here. So each and everything we should understand in supply chain. This sprint 3, this is a major module. So once if you complete this module, you have only 3 4 activities we have, that's it. We don't have much activities, but this is very lengthy module. So we should understand how, what are the things we are calculating, how we are calculating. So these things we need to understand here. So majorly you can see I have completed this one. So I will copy paste these line items as well. So fine. So we can understand here what are the different line items we have and how we are creating this module. So what are the different line items we have? So beginning inventory means opening stock. Show inventory for the each week. Show beginning inventory for the each week. In this one, opening stock how much we have, that we can see in beginning inventory. So this is the first thing. Forecast demand. So forecast demand, where did we calculate forecast demand? Did you remember anyone? Forecast demand. Show final forecast value from the demand 03 module. Is it correct or wrong? Did we calculate or not in demand 03 module final forecast?
Yes, sir.
In sprint 2 what we have done, that only we have done. Is it correct? Final demand forecast. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can see here. So reorder flag. Reorder flag means before your product going to zero, dropping below zero, so it will identifies. So 1 week earlier only, so it identifies, so that you should be alert. Identifies the week that order must be placed before ending inventory would be dropped below zero. You will get one indication before your stock going to zero. So this is one line item. So suggested order amount, show monthly demand total. So then you can see suggested order amount for the month. So weekly generally we have the demand. So suggested order month means just total demand for the month, that's it, nothing is there. So how much demand we have for that month, this line item it will show. So submit purchase order request. So you can see here, like we should, this is a boolean line item, we should select that boolean cell, so that submit purchase order, they will raise the request, we need this much product, so that that is the thing, will raise the request by checking here boolean. If it is true, then they will submit purchase order, submit. What is mean by purchase order? Yes, what is mean by purchase order? If you need
Will
some products, then what will you do? Will you keep order or not?
Yeah, we'll create purchase order and release to the vendor.
Yes, so that is known as a purchase order. So you can see used for the conversion. So boolean formatted line item numeric value to be used with the offset function. So we'll discuss regarding offset function in this module, in this line item. You can see here, so confirmed PO delivery. You can see whether if you received product or not. If it is, if you receive the product, then what happened? So you can see, you will how many product you have done order, you can see in this line item. Use it to adjust inventory to week it arrived to at distribution center. So whether if you we can understand, if it is confirmed PO delivery is fine, completed, then we can receive how many products we have ordered, that many product we receive in each and every distribution center. So you can see these are the other things, shipping method, which shipping method we should send our products and how much time does it takes. So you can see confirmed purchase order received, show inventory received from the order to week delivered. So you can see we'll get confirmation will get here in this line item. And then you can see ending inventory, nothing but you have like closing balance each and every week, how much you have final balance, so that we can see here. And safety stock target, nothing but like we should maintain minimum stock, without this stock we can't maintain proper stock. If you don't maintain safety stock, what happened, you may fall under the short of products. So that is the reason we should maintain above this safety stock target each and every week. So safety stock exception count, whenever if you maintain below the safety stock, there you will get count, you are maintaining one time below the safety stock. So 1111 you will get each and every week, so that later you can add how many weeks you have done safety exceptions, means how many weeks you have maintained below the safety stock, that value will get by using the safety stock exception count. So these are the different line items we have. We need to change the format for the each and every line item, and we need to like check the summary methods as well. So what is the format we have for first two line items? We have number, and reorder flag we have the boolean. You can see here we have reorder flag, we have boolean. So here we have, so again we have boolean for submit purchase order request. So submit purchase order request as well we have. Boolean we have here, and other than this one, so where we have, so you can see shipping method should be shipping method. So this is the shipping method should be list, and which list we should select? Shipping method. Is it correct? So you can see here shipping time in weeks. So you can see here this one as well. So shipping time week number, confirm purchase order receipt, and inventory ordering number. So I think almost each and everything is number. So you can see each and everything is number. Fine. Summary method we should check. So here you can see uh, summary method should be sum across the product sum, and opening time summary should be opening balance for beginning inventory. You can see here. So what is the difference between the main summary and time summary? Did you remember what is the difference between the main summary and time summary? Yes. Why I am taking opening balance here in time summary? Yes. Anyone expect why I am taking opening balance? Are you there, everyone, or not? What is the difference between the main summary and time summary?
Yes, sir. Should be. Main summary is for the to roll up into the top level. Time summary is for the summary of the months or weeks which we take in.
In across the time it will get summarized. Weeks goes to months, months goes to adds into quarterly, half yearly and yearly. So that is across the time. So across the main means like dimensions, whatever. If you have P3 SKU, here what happens, P3 SKU will adds into P2 products, and P2 products will adds into P1 product family. So that is the thing. If you watch this one, if you change the dimension, you can understand easily. So later I will do it. So you have so many times I have shown that one. So forecast demand. What is the summary method? We have forecast demand, sum we have for forecast demand. So what is the forecast demand? Where we have forecast demand? Just now we have discussed where we have forecast demand. Yes. So send message as a region, everyone. Yes, so we need to add formats for each and every line item. So we can see here. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we have then again I have summary method sum for the confirm purchase order receipt. So for confirm purchase order receipt, I should make sum for ending inventory. So mostly you can see reverse to the beginning inventory. You can see sum and closing balance. So what they are expecting here, sum and closing balance. Main summary should be sum. So what is mean by ending inventory? What I told you. Yes, closing balance nothing but you will get the at final time period whatever the balance you have, you will get that one. Here in opening time period whatever the balance you have, that you will get here. So I will show how it will get. So you can see here other safety stock target and other what we have. So none and time should be closing balance, safety stock target. Here we have some. We have some in final line item. Here time and none and closing balance. So what is the major difference between the opening balance and closing balance means? So if I write here what where I have applied, here I write something 100. If I write here 200, which value I have got in here in summary method in January
Week 1.
100. So why I got 100? Yes,
Opening balance.
opening balance means whatever the you can see this January is there. In January, how many weeks involved? Week 1, 2, 3, 4. And week 1, what is the value we have? 100. That is the reason I can see here. So in ending inventory, what is the what does some summary method I have given? Yes,
Closing balance.
closing balance. That is the reason whatever I have write in week 4, that value I can see. This is the difference between the opening balance and closing balance. So whatever the some involved in final uh, time period, that comes under the like closing balance. Whichever time period involved in week beginning week, so that comes under the beginning like opening balance. So anyway you can see here. So you can say one more thing, you can understand this one as well. So first, whenever if you how we need to make copy across. So I have clicked on this cell, copy across this one, across this column you will get 0. So for example, if I make here copy down, so here if I delete anything, if I write 0, so even though if I write something here 100, that also will get delete. So if I click here and if I click on, you can see copy down whatever the cell. If I click, so if I click here, you can see it will, whatever the value this cell consists, it copy across the down. This is the major difference between the copy down and copy across. Is it clear? Yes. What is the copy across and copy down? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So try to use all these functionalities that will help us. Otherwise, nothing will happen. So you will forget each and everything. So we should use all these functionalities. And nowadays in interviews, they are asking different questions. Already I have given you. So they are expecting entire concept, not any questions. So that is the reason we should be perfect in each and every concept, not for any particular any questions or something. If you perfect in all the questions, then only we can like crack the interview. So we should not bother about that one. We should be try to get more knowledge. That's it. So we should not think more about any subject or anything. You can see simply I have done copy down. So anyway, you can see here we need to implement the formulas now. So after completing this one, we need to write formula for each and every line item. You can see they are giving. Now we need to add formulas for the line items. So that just we have created which for which line items. So there are dependencies among some of the line items. So sequence of for creating the formulas matters. So we should I we broken down the next activity into 4 sub activities focused on different groups of related line items. So we are dividing 4 groups whatever the line items we have created. So in first group, what are the line items we have? So inventory ordering modules formula. So add calculation formula for each of line items inventory ordering module. Select each expandable section to review the some additional examples and formula hints for each and every line item. So you can see here beginning inventory, forecast demand and suggested order line items. For these 3 line items, first we need to create the formula. Beginning inventory, forecast demand, suggested order amount. Each and everyone should go through this all this whatever the section they have given. Why means they have given some hints and everything they have given. You can see. So this line item needs to display the value from the beginning inventory line item data 01 beginning inventory module. You can see data 01 beginning inventory module, it consists the data for first week of the year and ending inventory from previous. So for ending inventory, what should I do? So week of the year and ending inventory from the previous week. So for previous week, why we are taking ending inventory? Yes. So why means, so what is the tomorrow is the I need tomorrow beginning inventory I want. So tomorrow beginning in, what is the tomorrow beginning inventory? Opening stock. Yes. What is tomorrow opening stock?
Closing of today.
Closing of today. That is the thing. Nothing is there. Today whatever we close, that will be show as a beginning for the tomorrow. That's it. So we have some logics here. So for this one beginning inventory, so you need to understand. So what are the hints they are giving? Beginning inventory. So for beginning inventory, what they are giving? So the syntax formula for the formula should be written. If it is a not, if it is a not the first week of the year, then use previous value ending inventory. So if it is a not first week, then what should we do? We should take the value of ending inventory. For first, I will first for today may I get ending inventory of yesterday closing balance? Can I get for first week? For first one, second week you will get the ending inventory of first week I will get for the second week. That is fine. Third week I will get from the second week. Fourth week I will get from the third week. That is a fine. But first week, what should I do if I want to get first week value? I should get from somewhere. Is it correct or not? For first week. First week, how should I get the beginning inventory? I need to get from somewhere. So that is the thing you can see here. So we are creating one line item here. You will need to create two boolean formatted line items in system01 time setting by the system module. So line item number 1 is the first week of time scale. You can see first week of time scale. Two line item boolean formatted line items we need to create here. You can see in system 01 module we should go. They are giving each and every hint. We should go through all the hints and we should create system01 time setting. So in this module we should go and so we should create one line item here. Two line items basically we need to create. One is the first week of time scale, another is not first week of time scale. You can see it here. So not first week of time scale. One is the first week of time scale and one is the not first week of time scale. So use this boolean formatted line items to select the first week. So whenever if you create first week and say and not first week of time scale, so how we can, these are the two are the boolean formatted line items. So take boolean formatted line item here. Yes. So this is the first week of time scale. Then what should I do for first week of time scale? I should select manually here. You can see here. So use boolean formatted line item to select the first week of time scale. You can manually select the first week of time scale. So then we should write the form not first week of time scale. So what should I do? The formula for this line item should be not first week of time scale refers the other line item above which I have created. So you can see here. So for not first week of time scale, what is the formula? This is the first week. So what are the where I have not first week? Which are the not first week? Other than this first week, all are the not first week. Is it correct or not?
Yes.
So other than first week, all are just I should write not function. Then you should refer this line item. Then what happened? You can see not I have written formula not for this line item. Then what happened? Other than this line item, you can see all line item comes under the not a first week. They are not first week. That is the reason you got true here. Is it correct or not?
Yes.
Can you differentiate what is the first week of time scale and what is the not first week of time scale? Can I identify by watching this one or not?
Yes.
Easily I can identify here. So that is the reason. So we are creating these two line items. Then you can write the logic here for our module. So simply what should I do? We can see here for this module, inventory ordering module, beginning inventory. So beginning inventory, where do I have these values? Yes, simply I will write like this. So if system01 is a system01 not first time scale, then what should I do? Where should I get the values? Where do I have values? What they have given hint? You can see beginning inventory, where do I have values? Can you see data 01 beginning inventory module? Are you clear? Inventory, where do I have?
Data 01.
Beginning inventory, data 01 beginning inventory module. So for beginning inventory, I should get data from the here. That is the reason I should go here and open data 01 beginning inventory module. Beginning inventory line item we should select. Only we have one line item. If not, like you can see, if it is the system 01 time setting by the week, not first week of time scale. So then we should get the data 01. So we are getting we need to check other where should we get the data. So once we should check other data where from I am getting. So you can see here. Yes, so the condition should be we should take, like it is a not a not, if it is a not a first week, where should I get? For first week I should get the data beginning inventory. So if it is a first week, then I should get the beginning inventory, means first week data I will get. If it is a not a first week, then from where should I get the data? Yes, from where should I get the data?
Data
From ending
01.
inventory I should get. So from where I will get the data if it is a not a first week? So ending inventory only I will get. For first week, from where I will get data? Beginning inventory. You can see here. So from this module I will get. So how should I get? You can see here. You can see this is a 30,000. So but here in second week 30,000 from where I am getting? Yes, this 30,000 from where I am getting?
Data 01.
Data 01. Why? Means this is the first week. So this is the first week, that is the reason we are getting. So in ending inventory what I do, you can see here. In ending inventory I write 1000. In week 2 how much value I am getting?
1000.
1000. Why I am getting 1000 here?
We are taking the previous formula. For that reason, in the week 2, we are getting 1000.
You can see if it is the not first week of time scale. If it is a not first week of time scale, then I am using previous function. By using the previous function, ending inventory line item, you can see. So ending inventory line item, this is the same, it goes this line item and it will check previous time period how much value I have. So this value it will project here. I have 0, that is the reason I am showing here. If I write something here 500, so I can see that one in the third week. Is it clear? How each and every week, if it is the first week, I am getting the data from the beginning inventory, whatever I have. Why I am getting this 13,000 means already I have beginning data beginning inventory 13,000. If I make here 15,000, I could see there 15,000. Simply I could see here 15,000 without facing anything. Are you clear how I am getting 15,000? So if it is the, what is the formula we have written? If it is a not a first week of time scale, then we should get previous value of ending inventory. So you can see each and every time it check to the previous value of ending inventory value, whatever it consists, that value it projects in week 2. But first week, where should I get the data? For first week, do I have ending previous value, any value? First week, do I have any previous value?
No.
No, that is
It
the
should
reason
be
I am
coming
taking the
from
beginning inventory.
data
That's it.
01.
So this way we should understand how these functions are working. So how these functions are working and how we need to change the values and everything we need to understand. So like this, fine. We can see this one we have completed one formula we have written. So you can see here. So this is the first formula we have written for the inventory ordering module. So then what is the other formulas we have? We can see here. So for forecast demand, what is the next formula? We need to write the forecast demand. Is it correct? Is it clear for everyone? Inayatullah, how I am getting data? Are you clear? Inayatullah, Sudhir, SM Office.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How I am getting the values? SM Office. Is it clear? Yes. SM Office. Is it clear how we are getting the values? Yes, am I audible to you, SM office? So where is this in Ayman? I think he told that we'll join in 5 minutes, but he couldn't join so far. Where is Muthulakshmi is joined? I think she joined earlier. I couldn't see now. So anyway, we can see here. So like next activity, we need to calculate the which line item do we have here. Next line item, forecast demand. Where do we have forecast demand? Yes. Where do we have forecast demand? Did you remember? Yeah, just now I have discussed it 15 minutes back. Demand
Demand
03
03.
forecast module. That's it. Nothing is there. So you can see, for consistency with upcoming screenshot in the course, we suggest you that clear any boolean checkboxes in demand 03 demand forecast module. Override other than new job or EN candidate week 2 before you reference demand 03 module in the forecast demand line item. You can manually deselect the checkboxes or use process below the completely clear the override. So boolean and reselect the checkboxes which are we have earlier we have done that some checkboxes, we should remove it. So to completely clear the boolean, in the formula bar for boolean line item, type false and press the enter key for the click green check mark on the formula bar. So verify the check boxes for the line items. Item are no longer selected. Confirm in module grid view that any inputs have been cleared. So in the formula bar for the same boolean line item, delete false and press the enter key for or click green check mark on the formula bar. So the formula bar for the boolean line item should be now be empty. So you can see here. So from you can see for this forecast demand, where should I get the data?
Demand 03.
Exactly. Demand 03
Demand
forecast
03.
module. That's it. Nothing is there. Simple. So demand 03 forecast module, I should get the data. So demand 03 final forecast I should take. In demand 03 final forecast I should take. So this is my final forecast. What they have suggested so far, I will show it. Demand 03 final forecast I should say simply I should apply, so that total final demand forecast all the details I will get from there to here simply. So this is the way how can I get the values. But what they are suggesting, we should not include anything in the different checkboxes. We should keep here this checkbox, and we should not keep any even we can remove all these things. How can we remove all these checkboxes? Means if you have one or two manually you can remove simply. So but the thing is, whenever if you have more checkboxes, so for that one what should we do? If you have this many, this if you have more than that one, so what should we do? Simply you should click here in that on that line item, write false, falc false. So if you write false here, simply click here. What happened? So all the things are get deleted. Then remove this formula, click here. So then what happened? You can see all the cells, you can see here empty. Is it clear how we are doing this one? Yes.
Yes, yes.
So same thing for any cell. If you want make any cell as a 0, so simply you can do it. So any cell 0 or 1, if you want write anything, so simply you can do same thing like by writing something you can easily get the like values. So for example, if I have any cells, if I want to make here whole zeros or something, so then what should I do? Simply in formula I should type the 0 or 1. Then what happened? Entire cells I will get 1. So like that we can get. So in formula we can do the adjustments whatever we want. So you can
Ashok bhai,
see.
once tell that boolean Ashok bhai, deselecting the boolean once again.
So if I selected so many booleans here, what should I do? So I should write the formula. What is meant by here? First of all, this selection means true, not selection means false. In formula, if I write false, for this line item, if I write false, so what happened? False. Whenever if we write any formula, what happened? That cell 100% it follows that formula. Is it correct or not? False means each and everything will false, goes to false. You can see nowhere even I can select. Why I can't select here means, what is the problem? Why I can't select here? Whenever any line items write formula, you can't do any edit there if it follows the any formula. So that is the reason I selected false means I have written false. Then what happened? Each and everything is deselected. So then I will remove this formula and I will click on here. So then what happened? Easily you can see here. Again you can select whatever you want. So one more thing, if I want to make all the true, in that scenario what should I do? True you
Right.
should write. I will get entire cells as a true. You can see entire cells. We can't edit even. Why means already it is following the rule. So like this I will write again false, so that all the things will get delete. So if I don't write false, you can see what happened. Just now I have written true. Now for true what happened? Each and every cell is get selected. If you want select more cells, in that time what will you do? Simply you should select you should write the true. Is it correct or not?
But Ashibai, if you want only few of them, few weeks, any 1 month
No.
weeks in
That
that condition.
we can't do that one. Entire things if you want in this scenario, we should do this one. So entire cell if you want select
Because
entire.
the formula is applying for the line item, so everything will be get applied, I think.
Yes.
No, example, if you want only for few weeks, any possibility to do it?
No. That is we don't have this in this method. By writing true and false, it will works for the entire line item.
Oh,
So this method it doesn't work. So you need to think about the logic, in which weeks you want, why you want. So on the base of that one, you should create some logic. Not this true and false will not work. You have some other logics generally will have. You need to think and what are the weeks you want true. Every month I want true, and every last week I want to true. So if you have in this way, if you have some logic, so to get that logic you need to think and you need to write the formula. But generally by writing true and false, what happened? We'll get entire line items. So you can see if I write false, what happened? Simply it will get deselect. I will remove the formula. So I will apply the formula. For boolean number formatted also, any formatted also, you can write something, any number or something, so that it will entire in formula. If you, this is the formula something, so here I want 0. Instead I will remove this formula, final forecast. If I apply, I want to make all these zeros. You have all these values, something 60 you have. I want to make all these zeros. In formula what should I do? Simply I should keep 0 and type here. What happened? You got 0 enter. In formula you can get like this. So in this way we can get.
Only it is apply for zero, or any number we can keep, any
Any
digit.
number we can keep, whatever the number you want keep, you can get it. In formula,
Okay.
whatever you keep, you will get. So what is the restriction to have number
Like
1
20,
or
30,
2?
40, all
Whatever the number
any.
we want, we can keep. Nothing will happen. So
Okay.
in formula bar, if you keep, you can get it. So like this, we'll get. So
Asif, Asif bhai, instead of using this formula, we can apply copy across also, right, Asif bhai?
so copy across also you can apply. Nothing will happen. But some situation demands to do this one. Okay. So you will later you will understand that demands. Sometime we require these formulas. Copy across means one time you can do files, but this applies the formula. When you apply a formula, if you do copy across, for example, I remove this formula and I will do copy across, for example. So if I do, so someone will come and they can change. If I write formula, can anyone change this value? Yes, Faiz?
In the formula they cannot do it.
In formula they cannot do. That is the reason we do each and everything like some formula will create. So anyway we can see here. So in this way if anyone anything if you want to fix, you should write formula. So that never can change. Copy across, copy down is for the temporary purpose. So if you want to do anything, so what is my final forecast value formula? If it is if it is a not override, what is my final forecast value? Yes,
If not override, initial demand forecast,
if
and
it is a not a
final demand.
override, then I should get the initial demand forecast. Else, if it is override, then override forecast.
Final. Right.
If initial, if not forecast, uh, if not initial, sorry, here we need to write if not override, not initial.
If not override, Asif bhai.
If not override, then initial demand forecast, else override forecast. So this one we should write. Here you can see here. So whatever the initial demand forecast we have, so if I done anything, so whatever the thing I have here, that value I can see here. So this way we can get we should remove all these things. So anyway we have completed formula for the second line item as well. So
अलग
yes,
जाके धूप आया थी.
so you can see here third one is like suggested order amount. So what is the formula we need to create means, think about the formula used to apply the monthly volume growth rate percentage to weekly values. So if I want monthly values, so what should I do? Think about the formulas used to apply monthly volume growth rate percentage to weekly values. So what should we do if I want to get formulas monthly values growth rate to weekly values? What should I do?
We can change the
Element
time
and
scale to weekly values, weeks.
So you can see here I have forecast demand, this one forecast demand I have already 1030 I want here, suggested order amount month. So then what should I do here in this
we should use
1030? Yes,
we should use month value consumption, and we should use a particular line item.
yes, month value of this line item if I write, easily I could get month value across this all weeks. Nothing is logic here, simple. So simply I should use for this inventory ordering module. So office is very fast here, but he don't practice. So that is the problem. So he understand very well, but he don't want to practice. What is the problem? I am not getting. So where we have suggested order amount, you can see here. So for suggested order amount means for suggested order amount monthly. So I will delete all these things. You will get confused. can see here. For suggested order amount, just simply we should write the formula. I should write month value formula function. I should use month value of this forecast demand. Then what happened? Simply I will get each and every week month value whatever we have this January, month value whatever we have this one. So each and every week I will get here whatever the month value data I have here, and each and every week I will project here. This is the thing. How we are getting means easily you can understand here. So these are the monthly values we are getting by the writing month value of forecast demand. So that's it. So these are the simple, we need to understand how we are creating the logic and how we are applying, so that easily we can go ahead. If you don't understand, nothing will happen. So these functions we should understand. So how things are happening, how the functions are working. And you can see here, and other than this one, so we have completed 3 formulas here, 3 line items formulas we have written so far. So next step what we have, another step number 2, 1b and 1a 2b you can see. So shipping method, shipping time in weeks. So these 2 line items we should take. So we need to write formula for the shipping method and shipping time in weeks. So shipping method show the standard shipping method for the SKU. So we need to show the what is the standard shipping method we have, and shipping time in weeks show the shipping time associated with the shipping method. So these 2 things where do we have this shipping method and shipping time. So first of all we need to try to understand shipping method. Where do we have this shipping method? In which module do we have? This line items formula should be reference shipping method information by the product SKU based on the distribution center location that holds the inventory for each specific product SKU. So where do we have this shipping method detail? Yes. Where do we have shipping method detail? Just you need to check our formula. I will show where do we have shipping method detail. So shipping method details means mostly in system module we have this one, shipping method details. So like
System 07 I think we have.
Mostly system 07. Yes, we have system 07. So by watching the formula you can understand. So where do we have this data? You can see shipping method details I am getting here. System 07 distribution center detail default shipping method I have system 07, and lookup I am using. So system 08 SKU details by supplied by. Why I am using, we need to understand here. So what is the source and what is my target? So by watching the formula I can understand. So from where I need to get the data. What is my source? System 07. Then what is my target? Yes.
Inventory 01.
Inventory 0, ordering 1. So I need to get data from source to target. So what should I do? How should I get the data?
We can use lookup.
So what is the major problem here? Lookup or should we use lookup or some later we should think. First of all, how many dimensions are the matching and how many dimensions are the not matching? In source you have the G3 location distribution center. In target I have P3 SKU. So these are both the dimensions are not matching. Even you have time, you don't have time. So that is not a problem. So major problem is like you can see. So I want to see like across the time will it change shipping method across the time? Why I should not consider the time? Time is not a problem for me. Across the time shipping method will get changed. Yes.
Possibly if they use different shipping methods can be possible, yeah, by air, by rail or water.
If you change the shipping method, time will change. but I am asking shipping method we have for each and every product. Some default shipping method we have. For example, across the time, each and every week and each and every year it will get is it get change shipping
Not
method
every, yeah.
every month or every week or every year
Yeah.
will get change, or will keep on. We have some standard shipping method. Each and every week does it change? Week 1 we should have default method this one. Week 2 we have like that. Do we have like that? Or once if
No,
you
no.
decide shipping method, default shipping method, only we have same shipping method entire year. It will not goes to change. So that is the thing we need to understand. That is the time is not a problem. That is the reason. The problem is like we have G3 location
That
and P3 SKU. Where do we have relation between the P3 SKU and G3 location? Yes, yes, where we have relation, you should watch this
No,
different system.
data zero on beginning inventory.
Data zero on beginning you have relationship between the G3 P3 SKU and location center means what does it mean files. So in lookup, what is our fourth condition? Can you explain? In lookup, what is our fourth condition? Yes,
It should be a line item, Asif bhai.
which it should be, what it should be line item. In lookup, what is our fourth condition?
So source and dimension should be
Source and
present
not
as a line
dimension.
item.
Source and not dimension. Source dimension should be remove and.
Present as a line item.
Source dimension should be present as a line item
Line item in the
mapping. Is it
Mapping.
correct? You can see this is a source dimension. S3 distribution center. So if I ask for 5 instruction, I goes to here. So do I have any G3 location center or something here as a line item in this module? I don't have. So that is this is a false one. So other than what we have P3 SKU, you have, so generally whenever if you find any relation files, we should goes to system module. You don't go to any other module. Is it clear?
yes, Asif bhai.
So for that one you can see here system 08 you have. So in system 08 if I open this one, if I open system 01, system 08, sorry. So in system 08, what should I get? That's what is our my source dimension distribution G3 location distribution center, something we have. So this supplied by that is the dimension. That dimension I should present as a in this module. Is it as a line item? Is it correct or not? Yes. Yes, is it correct or not?
Yes, Asif.
So this
Correct.
supplied by nothing but distribution center only. This supplying the product, nothing but this is a distribution center supplied by. So don't confuse for supplied by and distribution center, both are same. So, supplied by nothing but these are the distribution centers. So you can see you have this line item here. P3 SKU dimension I have here and supplied by line item I have. So that is the reason what should I do. So this for this one shipping method, how should I get means, for shipping method simply I will write formula. What is my source? System 07. So go to system 07. System 07 distribution center details. So default shipping method I want. Then I should use the lookup. And which line item I should select for mapping? Which is the mapping? Supplied by. Where I have relationship between the P3 SKU and this distribution center? System 08 supplied by. I will get the default shipping method. How? Each and by the distribution center wise I will get. By writing this formula we are demanding I want default shipping method on the base of each and every distribution center wise. What is the default shipping method for this one? So for each and every location and each and everything we'll get. So if I apply this one, so what is the default shipping method I will get? So if you watch this one, you can see New York you have. So here in New York you have, and for New York default shipping method is a road. So for each and everything you can see here country and what is the dimension they are using here. So SG3 location center, nothing but supplied by. So this dimension we have used as a line item in here. So this way we should understand sum and lookup 4 condition. We should be very clear, and we should each and every time we remember all the 4 conditions. So we have remember each and every condition we have used here. So what is the problem? What is the second? First and second are the common, and what is the third condition? Source and target and mapping dimension should be same in lookup. Target and mapping dimensions. You can see target and mapping. Is this are same dimensions or not? Target and mapping dimensions. Yes, this is a target. This is a mapping. Are the consist same dimensions or not? Any one same dimension should it consist. Yes.
Yes.
And what is the fourth condition? Source dimension should be present as a line item in the mapping module. Is it correct or not? Do we have that one or not? This SG3 location distribution center, nothing but we have in the system 08 as a supplied by you have. Is it correct or not? Yes. Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Inayatullah, is it clear how we are getting this data? What are the 4 conditions for the lookup and sum? Is it clear how we are getting the details? Inayatullah, SM office? SM office, are you there? SM office, are you there? Yes. Sudhir, is it clear how we are getting the details?
Sir, target and mapping should be same. We have to check that.
Come again, yeah.
Target and mapping line item dimension should be same.
Yes. So target and mapping line item dimension should be same is the third condition, and fourth condition is the source dimension should be present as a line item in the mapping. That's it. So that is completed. You can see here we have shipping time in weeks. So shipping time, for where do we have this shipping time? This line item will display the shipping time in weeks from the supplier to the distribution center based on the standard shipping method. So the data is referenced from the shipping metrics by the week module. So shipping metrics week module, this shipping metrics defined at the P2 products level, and this line item is at the product SKU level we have. So you can see here. So what is our source and what is our target? So basically we need to understand here where do we have the shipping time basically. So morning we have first time we have created that module only. In which module do we have transportation shipping metrics here? Do we have this detail? How much shipping time does it takes? Yes. Do we have here or not? Tell me, do we have shipping time details or not?
Yes, sir. It takes 1 week.
So you can see here. So here you can, this is the source and this is the target. Whenever I am pulling the data from parent to child, so what should I do? This is a parent and this is a child. Should I use lookup or sum? Which function should I use? Yes. Which function should I use? Parent, whenever I am pulling the data from parent to child, give me answer. So many times I have explained this one. Don't behave like listening first time.
Lookup.
Lookup we should use, that's it. Nothing is there. So you can see here. So I want to, first of all I need to use lookup. So that is the thing, that is clear. Where do I have relationship between the P2 products and P3 SKU? Where do I have relation P2 product and P3 SKU? Can I get here system 08 or not? Whenever if I have P3 SKU for the system 08, so what is our condition in whenever if you create any system module, what is our condition? What are the line items we should create for any system module? What is the condition 5? How many line items we should create for the any system module, not for a particular, any system module, what are the line items we should create? I have told some rules for the system modules. 5, can you explain what are the line items we should create for any system modules? Arshad Ahmed, can you explain what are the line items we should take for any system modules? Yes. सिस्टम मॉड्यूल के लिए कौन सा लाइन आइटम्स क्रिएट करता है? कोई भी सिस्टम मॉड्यूल्स के लिए
whatever the line items we are going to use multiple times, that we will be using in
मल्टीपल
system
टाइम्स,
modules.
ठीक है फाइज, वो जो है वो नॉर्मल है. एक सिस्टम मॉड्यूल के लिए मल्टीपल टाइम्स रिपीट होता वो लेते, ठीक है, मगर बट एग्जैक्ट पूछ रहा हूँ. P3 SKU मेरा सिस्टम मॉड्यूल है, सिस्टम 08 SKU मॉड्यूल्स ये मॉड्यूल है. आई एम मैं जो है डायमेंशन ये यूज़ कर रहा हूँ P3 SKU. जब P3 SKU मैं डायमेंशन यूज़ कर रहे तो कौन सा लाइन आइटम्स लेना आप पूछ रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. उसका कंडीशन क्या है? कोई भी सिस्टम मॉड्यूल क्रिएट करने के लिए कंडीशन मल्टीपल कौन सा यूज़ हो सकता? मल्टीपल, ठीक है, कौन सा यूज़ हो सकता?
उसका पेरेंट को भी लेना पड़ता है.
ऑल पेरेंट्स इंक्लूड करना, कोई भी उसको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोड इंक्लूड करना. ये बोल रहे इसने यार, कोड वी नीड टू इंक्लूड कोड. देन व्हाट एवर द पेरेंट फॉर P3 SKU, व्हाट एवर द पेरेंट्स वी हैव P2 प्रोडक्ट्स एंड P1 प्रोडक्ट्स फैमिली. कोड लेना है, पेरेंट्स कितने हैं उतने लेना है, ठीक है. और उसके अलावा कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज वगैरह कुछ भी रहा तो वो भी लेना है. ये प्रॉपर्टीज नथिंग बट जो है ईच एंड एवरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन SKU, हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटर वी हैव, that we are adding that as well. So in this way we are adding 4 line items. So do we have relationship between the P3 SKU and P2 products here or not in system 08 module? Yes. Yes we have. So relation का मतलब क्या होता? P3 SKU and P2 SKU, यानी P3 SKU डायमेंशन यूज करना है यहाँ पे, उसके अंदर लाइन आइटम कुछ भी यहाँ पे रहना रहे तो क्या होता? उसका दोनों का रिलेशन रहता है यहाँ पे. यहाँ फार्मूला क्रिएट करके पेरेंट ऑफ आइटम ऑफ P3 SKU, ये जो है एक एक आइटम उसका पेरेंट कौन सा है यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं अपन, एक एक आइटम का. ये भी वही है पेरेंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. ये प्रोडक्ट का पेरेंट क्या है, इसका चाइल्ड कौन है, इसका चाइल्ड कौन है, ऐसा आता. ये जो है आपका रिलेशन बोलते. यानी अपने को अगर डिटेल्स यहाँ पे होना है इन्वेंट्री ऑर्डरिंग में, सो अपने को डिटेल्स पुल करना है. कहाँ से कहाँ तक, वेयर वी नीड टू पुल द डिटेल. सो फ्रॉम ट्रांसपोर्टेशन 01 टू आई नीड टू पुल इन्वेंट्री 01. सो व्हाट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस डायमेंशंस आई हैव? सो दिस ऑल आर द डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस ओनली, नथिंग इज द सेम. सो दैट इज द रीजन P2 P3 also problem I have, shipping method also I have problem. So in that scenario what I do, you can see here inventory ordering module. First of all I will select the source. for shipping time in weeks. I will select the source first of all. So transportation shipping metrics by week. Source line item I will select. So then I should use the lookup function. So in lookup function, where do I have relation? For the first problem, I have P2, P3 is the first problem. Where do I have problem? P2 and P3. You can see this, each and every one. I want product wise I want. Is it correct? Source dimension is product. That I am taking as a line item in the mapping. Is it correct or not? Yes. So what is my source dimension? P2 product and shipping method. Is it correct? That I am taking as a mapping. You can see here. So what is other problem? Shipping method. Shipping method is the another problem. Is it correct or not? How many dimensions are the making the problem to pull data from source to target to me? 5. How many dimensions are making the problem here? Why you are not? These are the 2 dimensions are the making the problem or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So P2
Yes, sir,
products I am
yes.
taking in mapping. Shipping methods also I am taking mapping. But P2 products data I am pulling from the system 08. Why I can't take this shipping method from other module? Why I am taking directly lookup and shipping method? Why I am taking? Yes. Why I am taking directly here? Send message as a rejoin Abdul Hafiz. Abdul Hafiz, share message as a rejoin everyone. What about others? Where are others here? Send message in all groups. Yes, in March group as well. Send message Sudhir. Where is Inayatullah? Where are others here? Where is Arshad Ahmed and others? No one is there. Even we have Sudhir. Did you send message in March group as well?
Yes, I have, sir.
So fine. So how many dimensions we have problem, Sudhir? Whenever I am pulling data from source to target, 2 dimensions are the problem: P2 products and shipping method. But why I am not taking shipping method for any system module? Why I am taking directly from this module? Only shipping method. Why I am writing here? Can you understand? Nothing is there. We have line item shipping method list formatted in same module. That is the reason I am taking without taking from any other module. If I have product line item, if I have product line, I have shipping method this one. If I have product line item somewhere here, I could take that as well in same module. I don't go to like system 08 module. I have line item here, that is the reason I am taking here. Is it clear how I got shipping time in weeks?
Yeah.
So that is the thing, nothing is there. So you can understand this one, and even you can try to check the some values. So in inventory ordering module, what is the shipping time weeks for the cookie crumbs EN week 1 financial year 2020? we need to want cookie crumbs EN financial year 2020 cookie crumbs EN. Select here cookie crumbs EN. So week 1, how much, what is the shipping time for financial year 2020? 4. Is it correct? So type here week 4 and select 4 and submit. Yes, great job. So we have done correct. Fine. So we have other line items. We'll discuss tomorrow regarding all these line items. So purchase order line items we
Ashibai,
have. Yes, tell me.
Ashibai, you were saying that in the target module itself, we got that shipping method line item. So no need of
Yes.
system module. That's what
Yes,
you were
that's
saying,
it.
right, Ashibai?
Yes, that's it. That is the reason I am taking here.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes this as well happened. So if you have the same line item, so whatever the whatever your problem is there, so like this shipping method, if you have this line item in your module, easily you can get it. So you can refer. So as a reference for mapping, you can use this one. There is no need to go for the any shipping method line item. Even though you may get here, I think shipping method line item something you may get somewhere, but that is not best practice. Wherever you have, so you can get it. You should use that one. So that will be easy for you, and easily we can understand. It doesn't take much time and everything. So anyway, so these are the things we need to understand. So Ayman, you have joined very late. What is the problem? Already you told that you will join in 5 minutes, but you have joined after 1.5 hour or 2 hour almost. So anyway, to complete all these activities, and tomorrow we'll discuss other formulas, and try to close all these formulas within 2 to 3 days.